People with diabetes and other pre existing conditions are more likely to experience serious complications and death from COVID 19 than people without diabetes and other conditions. The Health Ministry stressed that more than 70% of the COVID 19 deaths in India occurred due to comorbid conditions.
Diabetes during this second wave as well, it remains as a major risk factor. Diabetes doesn't increase the chances of COVID, but once you are infected with COVID, uncontrolled glucose values, and that is a very high risk factor for further worsening and for the disease to become more critical. But what's the good news? The good news is a research. We have identified high glucose as one of the vital parameters. Glucose is one of the vital parameters. And if at the time of COVID or at the time of hospitalization, if the glucose is found to be high, it needs to be treated aggressively. Remember, dear friends, COVID-19 can result in high stress. The stress can increase glucose, and that is natural. It can happen to any human being. We are all human beings. So COVID-19 diagnosis could be a stress to all of us. It is a fear of impending death. And the medications which are used for the treatment of COVID-19, such as corticosteroids, dexamethasone, methylprednisolone, all of them invariably results in increases in the glucose values. And this happens even in the absence of diabetes. And hence, you have to be watching, you have to be measuring, monitoring your glucose values even when you are getting treated for COVID-19 at your own houses. What is the good news? The good news is, if you are treating diabetes properly and keeping all the values at normal levels, at acceptable ranges, the risk reduces. And once you have a COVID-19 infection, remember, if the glucose values are high, insulin is the treatment which is going to be useful, beneficial, which will help you reach all your targets. With the help of a glucose meter and telemedicine, all of you can even get this treated at home itself if your disease is not that severe enough. And that's the good news, and that's the take home point for you. This is a very common question. I am having diabetes. I am having diabetes with a kidney disease or a heart disease or with a stroke. I am having diabetes with neuropathy. I have undergone laser. Can I vaccinate? The simple, straightforward answer is, you should vaccinate. You should vaccinate. In diabetes, if there is an infection, patients are more prone for subsequent complications. And that is exactly the reason why all the major scientific organizations have been recommending multiple vaccinations for all subjects with diabetes. We have been routinely for more than 15-18 years vaccinating all our patients with diabetes against pneumococcal pneumonia, and yearly, every year, we used to administer influenza vaccine for all consenting patients. So if you are diagnosed of diabetes, please get vaccinated against COVID-19. Even in the presence of allergies, with sufficient precautions, it is preferred, it is advisable that you get vaccinated. Vaccination is not a medication. If you are allergic to certain medications, then you probably should not be receiving those medications. But vaccination is not a medicine. It is a different composition. So you can still get vaccinated, and none of the patients have developed any major allergic reactions to COVID vaccine, at least in India. So my advice will be, if you are having diabetes, whatever be the vaccine available, let it be the vector vaccines which are currently available in India, or the upcoming vaccines to India like the Pfizer vaccine or the Moderna vaccine, which we might get in future, get vaccinated. Which vaccine is immaterial? Get vaccinated at the earliest.